Stop by and take a look at the 2019 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, memory seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.